What's up, guys? Today is the day, October 29th, 2020, and they finally released Watchdogs Legion. I've got the Ultimate Edition Steelbook, and this is an unboxing. So let's get started. So we've got some tabs here just to kind of show you the case, show you what we're working with. I'm going to peel these tabs off the top and off the bottom. And this off, pull this off, and then this just slides out. Sorry, I don't have any fantastical music that would work. Going to hold it for a second. There we go. This is it. Of course, we've got the Xbox seal on the spine. And I'll change angles here so I can open this. Been waiting on this for about a year and a half when they first announced that they were doing a third Watch Dogs. Um, been waiting on it. So, in case you didn't know, this E, I feel like, is really a 3 for the third edition of Watch Dogs. The first one was really great. I believe it had Aiden Pierce, I think his name was, in the first one. The second one, oh, that's nice. Got the logo on the back. The first one had Aiden Pierce. Second one, I can't remember the character's name. Completely different character. Um, but it was at first it wasn't as great as I thought it was going to be, and then the more I played it, the more I really liked it. But let's open this up and see what we got here. So we've got the Season Pass Ultimate Pack, which you got to be careful here that not don't reveal my number. So we've got that. We've got, oh, this is a nice case. It's got the mask with the disc, like in the case. And this is the Steel Book Edition. And let me see if I can do this without revealing my number. But basically, we got the back of this. Um, it has my season pass number on the back of it, my code. Um, I'm going to be playing it on the Xbox One because I don't have the Series X yet. But yeah, I'm excited. So that's it. I appreciate you guys watching. Nice case on the back. This is the case. Watchdogs Legion. And who knows? Maybe I'll do a Twitch video or YouTube video and show me starting to play the game. But that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.